Efren Reyes, the Magician, strikes again. At dito nga makikita natin kung papaano sinolve ni Efren Reyes itong napakatinding rock na ito, no? Mapapansin niyo dito talagang may mga cluster balls yan. Pero panoorin niyo mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard, kung papaano nagtaka at na-surprise yung kalaban dito ni Efren Reyes at kung papaano niya run out itong table na ito. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Yeah, news.
Yes, and you know, next year we will have we'll have more time, and we're gonna make it even bigger next year.
Yeah, it's exciting. Well, Efren Reyes.
Practice ka pa, alamin mo lahat ang mga tira.
I can't. Unless he called it, but you know, if he'd called the 10 and made the 2,
Here I come.
6 ball with the 7 is going to be a little tricky. Oh, he went to 2 right there. He's going to be pretty straight in on this 6 ball, I do believe, Ken.
He put a little too much on it.
At dyan nga sa tira na yan ni Reyes, no, hindi niya na-break itong 7 and 10 dahil nga binalik yung Jess kanina nung double packet ni Reyes yan. Pero meron siyang sinisipat dito itong 6, susunod niyan 7 na. So kailangan niya talagang ma-break ito para magkuha ng magandang posisyon itong si Reyes at may ipanalo niya itong rock na ito. Pero nakikita ninyo sinisipat ni Reyes lahat ng anggulo at sinusukat niya. Mapapansin nyo rin dito talagang hindi pa siya komportable doon. Sinipat niya ulit, no, kung paano niya titirahin at papatamaan yung 7 na yan. Dito makikita ninyo yung husay ni Efren Reyes sa mga anggulo, cue ball control, and ball positioning. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Thank you very much for having me, Ray. And again, I just want to thank my sponsors.
The Magician.